you're late for school. This is your money lunch. This is your lunch. Wake up! You're late for school. You're late for school. Eat this. This is your num-num. This is your toothbrush. Wake up! I'm gonna wake you up with a tickle. Okay. Eat and toothbrush and go to school.
Why?
Ate, ayos mo lagi to
Uh-huh.
Okay, I don't care. Die.
No! Eat first and toothbrush! Dummy! That's okay for tonight. You gotta save for dinners. Ano yun? Electric? Oh! Go to school. You're now late. It's already
Viva.
3 a.m. It's already 3 a.m. Ikaw daw yung principal.
Go to school!
Si Stitch yung teacher. Ikaw yung principal.
Hello, class! Stay!
Sit down!
Ready? No toothbrush! No toothbrush! No toothbrush! No toothbrush! Today we will be learning about Ezekiel. Ezekiel is a very, very boring person, and he is
Nagsisit siya. Ezekiel's daily life.
very rich.
Sabihin mo, you're going to detention for 10 years.
We will go to detention for 10 years if we don't listen. No. Okay, good. Now, first things first. We will learn about
Bye-bye.
space. Bye-bye. And space is about... You're doing to that!
Ito na lang yung principal. Ito na lang yung principal. Ito yung principal.
Why did you...
Hala, kikidnap niya yung teacher!
Why did you math class? Why? Should I go space? Should I go math class? Hello? Why did you...
Ito kunwari yung Dorothy sa substitute
why did you-
teacher.
Ay, dito kayo, matatangga yung TV, oh. Ay,
Why I love you!
hindi sabi ko doon kayo.
Ito daw yung kadate ni Ezekiel. I love you!
Dito kayo, dito.
Hey, you're cheating on me!
Dito ka dito.
You're cheating on me!
Diyan kayo.
I'm divorcing you! I'm divorcing you!
Ate, babe, ha?
Nose. And that is the day on the life of Ezekiel. Good night. Wake up! You're late for school, you fatty. Wake up! Wake up! Here's your brush. Here's your num-num. Here's your toothbrush. Num-num muna!
Ada?
Toothbrush ka. Kadiri ka talaga. Ang dirty na ng teeth mo. Okay, good. Go now to school.
You go class.
Good morning, class. Today...
Stop running! Ako magbubuhos na.
Why are you running? You're grounded! I grounded.
The principal's office. Yay!
Ito daw yung principal.
Yay!
What did you do this time? You have detention for 1,000 years! Aray mo! Maging zombie ako! Ay, wala pala akong brain. You little... head! Nag-date na sila. We are going to date. We are going to date soon. Nighty night.
Ba't kinakain yung principal?
Asan toothbrush mo? Saan toothbrush mo? Ay, there's your toothbrush.
Yan na, Mickey.
Baliw.
Ah.
You're done?
Zia, ito na yung bago. Ito, Zia, ito yung bago kong level. Oh no, maganda ba? Tignan mo nga kung maganda. Ito!
You're late for school!
Ito, Zia, ito yung bago.
Ito yung teacher. Kunwari, ito daw yung class. Morning class!
Ito, Zia, ako.
Ako naman na. Why are you running in class? Sit down and listen.
You will go to the principal office later. After the class. You will be meeting me after the class.
Yes! I love you, Ezekiel! Aray mo na reject sister. You're going to the principal's office.
Yes, you're going to the principal.
I am the principal. I am the prophet with the answers, you sick. Hi! Hi! Ikaw, makulit yan, ha? Ikaw talaga, ah. After 1 million years of detention, di ba ashes na siya? And then na-replace na siya. You're now available to go off, you dumma. Or else I'm gonna tickle your Wake up! Wake up! I'm your robot friend, you dumma. You're finally free from detention! Stop wawicking me. Let's kiss together. Hey, why don't you want to kiss me? You're now dead for 1 million years. Sleep. You gotta go to sleep. Pantiko. Go to sleep. Good night.